we're focused from start to finish. There's just some things that just don't. The ball doesn't bounce our way in the fourth quarter sometimes, and that's how it is. You're going to face adversity. It's not going to be perfect throughout the entire game. There's going to be ups and downs and momentum swings, this and that, but. Like I said, it's stuff that you can see on film and correct it.
I mean, they do a great job of, lining back up and getting the ball snapped, and in a matter of seconds. So it'd be nice to see, how we match up against that. And I know Oregon did a great job. So now it's like that retest. We saw how we performed the first time. Now it's like we made our adjustments. Now how are we going to react to it this time? So it'll be that, that Oregon, pace, and we'll see, how we fare up against it.
Yeah, we do. We get up a lot. We get up against every team. But like you said, other backs that who run pretty hard. As a new defense, new players, we take that as a challenge, and we try to limit those big plays and a lot of yards from that running back and the offense as well.
I know with me as a quarterback, I don't know how the other guys feel, but I was saying, we got to score another touchdown. We're up 21. I'm like, hey, let's put another one in, make it 28. And seal the deal. I was trying to get the guys going. I was pumped. I was focused, and it's not like I kind of took a step back and took a deep breath. I was trying to put my foot on the gas.
On that touchdown run that Coleman had to start the game last year, what went wrong on that play, and then what went right the rest of the game when you guys pretty much contained him the whole way?
The touchdown run was a misassignment. Someone wasn't in their gap, their assigned gap, and I mean that happens. Sometimes it breaks down. Defenses break down, but the biggest thing is that, like you said, we came back, the rest of the game and just fixed our mistakes and try to just capitalize on, each and every moment.
Yeah, I don't think it's so much that. I think it's so much just, guys, just continue to keep their enthusiasm, continue keeping their energy, and continue just having fun, not thinking we have the game won, not getting complacent. So I feel like we're gonna get better with that, get a better grasp on that, and continue keeping our energy level up.